Hello everyone, how you doing? Doug and Daryl here. Today we're working on Doug's 2005 Mustang 4.0 V6, and it put up a malfunction code that says that the fuel rail pressure sensor is not giving the right signal. So we're going to replace the fuel rail pressure sensor today, and let me just show you the part in our hand here. Is here, and it mounts on the side of the fuel rail like this with two Torx bit screws. It'll have a vacuum connector on one side and a quick plug connector that you squeeze on the other side, and it should be a pretty easy piece of cake to do this. They recommend disconnecting the negative terminal on the battery and bleeding off the fuel pressure in the fuel rail before you disassemble it so you don't get a splatter of fuel all over the place. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to open the junction box under the back side. It's a single medium-sized one. We're going to pull that out, just grab it and work it out, and we're going to lay it down. We're going to start the car up and run it till it runs out of gas. That'll bleed all the pressure off of the fuel rail for us, so we don't have to worry about making a mess with fuel under the hood when we pull this out.
We are in the car and we're going to bleed the fuel. He is pulling the fuse right now. Oh, all right.
Alright, this snapped out real easy. It's a T30. Right out. We used a 1/4-inch drive with a bit holder and a small Torx bit. Any kind of T30 socket though would do the job here. There it is. And the T30 fits right in there perfectly. Alright, here we go. Side-by-side comparison. This is the original Motorcraft part, I would imagine. Actually, it's a Bosch part, and this is the aftermarket generic part we got on eBay for like $14 delivered, and it looks identical. It should be just fine. It came out real easy. It's got the same kind of blue O-ring on the bottom to seal the system up, and I think this is going to be just fine. We're going to go ahead and move it into place. First we'll connect the rubber boot to it right here. Just slide that all the way over. Then we'll connect the quick connectors back here. Just push that in until it snaps into place like that.
I heard it. There you go.
And then we make sure that little tip doesn't get broken. We slide it right down into place here by wiggling it a little till the O-ring drops firmly into place and the holes are centered above the openings. And then we line it up perfectly for the final step. Drop the screws in and get them finger tight, and then we'll finish tightening them with the wrench. Alright, you can see it started right up again. We'll have a quick look down there, make sure there's no leaks. And I can't see any visible sign of any fuel here leaking.